Level 2, number 8. Program that applies typecasting. A equal to int 10.9 close parenthesis. B equal to plut open parenthesis quotation mark 15. C str or strength open parenthesis 100. D equal to bool open parenthesis or close parenthesis 1. E equal to list open parenthesis 1 to 2 to 3. F equals to TOEFLs open parenthesis 4 5 6. G equal to Dick open parenthesis name equal quotation mark Chris. H is range 5. I its complex 3 to 2. So this is it is a number plot to int and plot 15 string to float number int to string number to boolean. DIE is number TOEFL to list. F number list to TOEFL. G age equals to 18 close parenthesis number create dictionary. H number range type. I number complex number. So friend open parenthesis A to B, C, D to E, F to G. So it is list open parenthesis H dot I. So here my example or my explanations about program that applies typecasting. So this is the variables of about program apply typecasting. So now this is my example. int 10.9 to 8 to 10 float open parenthesis quotation mark 15 na siya arrow din ha 15.8 stager or strength the open parenthesis or close parenthesis so 100 to 100 quotation mark. And last but not the least is we call it is list open parenthesis or close parenthesis. So 1 to 2 3 you have a arrow equal to bracket so 1 2 3. So that's a program that applies typecasting.